12, 24. Can any be divided by 2? Yes, therefore divided by 2. Divided by 2 is 6, divided by 2 is 12. Can be divided by 2, divided by 2, 3 divided by 2, 6. 6 can be divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 cannot be divided by 2, therefore equal. Cannot be divided by 2, can be divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1, 1, okay. Here, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 times exponent 3. 3, 1 time exponent 1. 2 multiplied 3 times. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 3, 24. Okay.